So this is what I've been working on. Get this piece of wood in here. We've purchased a property that had a burnt down barn. The barn has a silo. So we've been throwing all of the other remaining pieces that aren't quite fully burnt out. Got a lot of this, like there's some boards. Got a lot of this here cleaned up already. But one thing I did want to show, shovel some straw in here too. There's was a log barn. Here's some more logs, supercharged. But I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. Let's go back here a little bit. It's snowing out, so that's kind of weird. But see that steam? This silo. I threw a whole bunch of wood in there a little while ago. Now there's a crack right there, and all these other cracks are now, there's like steam coming out of them. Smoke, steam. Maybe you can, those are just driving the water out, I guess. You can kind of see that there? You can see it there. It's like steam and smoke, I guess. Take a sniff. Yeah, it's definitely smoke. I don't know if you can hear that. Kind of a hissing sound. Anyway. And then digging through the pile, there's a whole wagon full of garbage. We'll have to take to the recycling center. But yeah, so that's what we've been working on. That's a long one. There's the pile of logs already hauled. A lot of logs. You like insulation? She's old newspaper. I don't know how old it is. Must have been the kitchen door. Put your toe right on there. That's slick, huh? Check that out. Put your toe right on there. Back of the kitchen door. We patched up a few times, so. The eggs I just got out of the chicken coop. See what you guys think. I don't know what you guys have been feeding them. Seems like we've got some variation here. Like there's one, and then there's one.
We got this one too.
Check this out.
That's an Easter egg. Like that.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. So that's the egg haul from today. We got this super long, weird looking one. And then that one right there. That's the sampler apparently. Everyone, how to make scrambled eggs. We're going to use these gigantic eggs here. So I'm going to hold on to that. And we'll get it into the bowl here. So first you take the biggest egg you can find. Crack it. Put it in your bowl. Oh, there's no yolk. Oh, defective. Alright. And you get another egg. The most normal egg you can find. one of these. It's kind of a long, narrow one. Not sure what's going on. We'll clean up some of the dust. There, now at least we got a yolk. All right, so we got a yolk. You can't scramble anything if you don't have anything to scramble. And you put a little bit of milk in, like this. About that much. Try to spill it all over the counter if you can. Then you just take a fork, poke it, and you just mix it up. I can't believe those chickens tried to sell us a defective egg without any yolk in it. No yolks about it. Alrighty. Okay, now it gets to be like that. See how it's kind of smooth? I gotta come over here. Now we've just removed the bacon. So we should be bacon flavored scrambled eggs. Okay. Now let's shed a little light on that subject. Okay, now we just let that cook for a little bit.
Yes.
I'll move out of the way a little bit here so I can get my spatula out. Flip the thing in. Now just kind of move it all together. Remember you were wondering about how to make them so they're one big piece. Just kind of get them together like that. I want to get up and over a little bit so you can see what's going on. There you go. Now you can see the filthy pan full of bacon grease. I know you're a fan of salt and pepper, so we'll put a little pepper on there. A little bit of salt. Even though the bacon was in there, so it's probably already kind of salty. When you get underneath like that, flip it over. And you like yours a little more done?
No, that's good.
Well, you like it so it's more brown, right?
No, that's good right now.
Alright, hold on. Let me get my container of my pan with bacon on it.
Container?
And you got your bacon and eggs in 2 pieces, almost like one. Happy breakfast.